team from the Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration has carried out a special drive here in Calangute area. We've been receiving a lot of inputs that there are some vendors who are selling biryani on the streets with their vessels. So today when we have come in, we have found around 5 or 6 of such vendors, and they are not having any permission from the FDA, and also they are preparing in some very unhygienic conditions. So what is also being done is that we've observed that some of these hotel people who are having these small hotels have given space to them in front of their hotels, and there are some independent vendors who are utilizing this space and selling biryani. So by and large there is no permission for such people also from the panchayat we have seen. So they are doing this business without any permission from panchayat and subsequently no permission from the FDA. So we had done the raid earlier also and we had warned them, but now since the tourist season is there, they have come in again. Today we have confiscated all such food items. They are using these stands and these vessels and such boats and selling the biryani for a cost of around 100 rupees. We have confiscated this and whoever is found today, all have been confiscated. We will continue this drive, and we want to appeal to all the small hotel vendors not to engage such people without having FDA permission to sell this biryani, and not to put the health of our tourists and our citizens at stake.